TP ICAP, which is the interdealer broker. Basically, I think it's very cheap, but they must have come out with something today. The shares are down 5%. Was it a trading update or something?
Yeah, it was a 9-month trading update to September. Revenue up 7%. That's just detail. It said it was comfortable with full year expectations. So subject to FX, I'm not entirely sure why it dropped 7%. This is TCAP, TCAP is the ticker. It's got a really good balance sheet. Wow, 867 million net cash.
Yeah,
some of that might be clients' cash, maybe, I don't know. But this looks because the net tangible asset value is only 263. So that's timing differences, most of the cash. We think it's good value. You've got a 6% dividend yield, plus it's doing buybacks, plenty of cash, and a PE of 8. So brokers don't tend to go for PEs much above 10 or 12, do they? That is usually the peak. You've got IG Index, you've got CMC Markets. They're all on PEs around about 10. I've got to say, TCAP, I'm not an expert on it by any means. TP ICAP is the name. It looks quite attractive to me.
I would agree. I think we've had recent volatility. You've had sterling weakening against the euro and the dollar, so that should help them on that volatility. They're the biggest in the world on interest rate futures, and we know the yields and the bonds have all gone down. Prices have gone up, so that means that they'll have probably done pretty well on that sort of trading as people hedge off their positions. And then the other thing I'd say, which would help them, is because the dollar's strengthened. Then they're reporting sterling. About, I think, 2/3 of their revenues are in dollars, are in dollar denominated. So with a stronger dollar, just the translation is going to help them. So all in all, unless there's something they said in that statement about the balance sheet, they've got an exposure, then I would say they should be doing well in these guys do well in volatility, and if the dollar's strengthening, they'll do well as well.